So this is the chosen day that I'm going to be working on my lawn. For a long time the grass has been growing, but I haven't been cutting the edges, I haven't been trimming it. The fact that we have had rains consecutively makes the ground so soft to dig up the grass. I'm also going to be bringing in an expert who I have seen his work, and I'm bringing him in today to help me with the work, and I'm also going to be learning from him so that next week I can do all that for myself. So guys, today I'm going to be working on my grass. We've been working on it actually for a very long time now. With my brother here that I will introduce you to in a few. Look at that straight line. Oh my god. And we're going to do that straight line inside that way. We'll have our grass shaped very well, and then we'll be restricting it from passing through that area, passing across that line. Yeah, actually this is the guy that was doing landscaping and taking care of the flowers and grass at Chef Matiko's place, and he's also a content creator. For the YouTubers watching, or maybe for the people around watching, you might need someone for this job. I want to introduce you to him, and he's also a YouTuber. You can tell you, bro. Please introduce yourself now.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yes.
My name is Only Paul.
Only Paul.
Yeah, that is my name. I'm using Only Paul.
Even on YouTube.
Yeah, it's
Only Paul.
Yeah, it's Only Paul. Coming from East Africa.
Yes.
Kenya, Buhanse village.
Yeah.
So I'm here. I'm trying to decorate these flowers.
You've already done a good job, man.
Yeah, trying to separate the grass with flowers.
Yeah.
So we can be able to notify where is our flowers and where is our grass.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so that's why you see I'm working here.
Yeah.
And I'm trying my level best.
Yes.
So that I can do a good thing.
Yeah.
That everyone can enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the channel it's Only Paul.
It's Only.
I think
Paul.
I'll look for the link to post it.
Yeah, Only Paul.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
thank you. So for those who are around near Buhanse and you need someone that can do some good job on the grass and flowers, then I think Only Paul is your only option right now. For those who are asking, where are you taking the other grass scheme, the one that you're removing under the flowers? My sister, my big sister Priska Sagati, I've been collecting it, and I already have one of the sacks packed already. I'm going to be delivering it to her. I promised her this grass very many days ago. Yes, but now at least I'm going to be doing this. Yes. As our compound will look so nice I just want to take care of this lawn to make sure that it's one of the beautiful lawns around. Yes, yeah, wow. And I also did something else interesting. You might have seen in this video, but maybe I never explained what it is exactly. So you realize that our chicken wire is not that tall, eh? But my chicken have been flying to the back area whereby we've planted some vegetables. So I decided to get this manila string, eh? And you know, I also realized today that they are flying, land here or on the poles and then squeeze inside. So I had to make a net like thing, you know, so they can't squeeze again. So you see, so my chicken now are restricted from entering inside because of this. Yes, so that is it, a net like DIY stuff. Yes, so my chicken can't go on that other side, so my stocks, suckers, you know, are going to grow perfectly. Yes, I can't wait to see my lawn look smart. Just take a look from this side. It's going to be a straight line this way. And I also realized when the grass grows past or under the flowers, they start experiencing sudden growth, you know, the growth starts slowing. So I want my flowers to grow faster and big because we have a lot of water and the rains are like, you know, a lot. We're also going to do the same on this other side. See, this other side. Yes, to that corner. See, now my chicken can't go on that back area. That white chicken is about to start laying eggs, and that is the male one. The other small 4 chicken, I have locked them because my neighbors, you know, it's a planting season and the corn seedlings are very small now. So if I let them out, they can always squeeze outside and, you know, can get some case. The reason as to why I have not locked that white one is because it's a big one. It can't go through the chicken wire. It can't also fly. And another reason is because it can lay anytime. I've already prepared somewhere where it's going to be laying. Yes, so the cock, of course, I can't lock it. It has to be the king outside here. So guys, can you imagine when we'll be done with the grass edging? I also feel like this edge here, I'm going to do it just directly through the last point of that tree, so that this other corner we can do some flowers maybe. Yeah, actually I can do some flowers here, to be honest. Yes, finally, after working on the lawn, this is the final results. I love the edges, I love everything about this grass area. My job now is to take care of it. Thank you, family, for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.